Hi guys, welcome to my flip class. Today we're going to watch a video on how to use the present simple in context. I hope you enjoy it. Bye!
Hi Sarai.
Hey! How are you?
I'm very well. How was your day?
It was great. Hey, isn't that Corny? Corny! Hey!
Hi, Sarai. How's it going?
Great. What about you?
I'm good.
Do you know Josh?
No, I don't. Hi, I'm Courtney. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. I'm Josh.
Josh is my best friend, and Corny, she goes with me to salsa lessons on Mondays, Tuesdays, and Wednesdays.
Oh, very nice.
Do you like to dance salsa?
No, but I really would like to.
Do you play any sports?
Yeah, I play football on a Monday, Tuesday and Friday.
Ah, football. You mean soccer.
Yes, soccer.
Okay, soccer, football, whatever. He's a Manchester City supporter. Do you follow any?
No, I'm not really a fan of soccer.
Me neither. But in Spain it's a must-do thing, so you have to follow either Real Madrid or Barcelona, so I follow Barcelona.
Well, I was just going for a cup of coffee. Would you like to come?
I love coffee, so yes, I'm in. What about you? Do you have any plans?
No, I'm not a big fan of coffee, but I could go for a cup of tea, seeing as I'm British.
Ah, a cup of tea. All right, well, let's go.
Let's
Okay,
go.
let's go.
Universidad Santo Tomás, institución sujeta a inspección y vigilancia por el Ministerio de Educación Nacional.